know that difficulties in motor learning can impact children's math skills, attention, and language development? In Kindiedays online workshop Growth and Movement through Playful Learning, your teachers will learn how to foster children's physical development and well-being through fun, hands-on activities. From promoting motor skills to teaching healthy habits, your team will explore practical strategies to integrate movement, healthy diet, hygiene, and safety into daily routines. This 2.5-hour workshop, including Q&A, provides homework to ensure your team can apply what they've learned. Invest in your teachers' growth and help children thrive through movement and play. Join us today.